been doing visualization all wrong. And it's not your fault. The old ways of manifesting vision boards, meditation, journaling, they worked in 2020. But this is 2025. Your brain has evolved. Technology has evolved. And the way you manifest needs to evolve too. What if I told you that virtual reality is the missing piece you've been looking for? The breakthrough that turns visualization from a struggling wish into a scientific reality? Welcome everybody, and in this video I'm going to show you how VR technology is completely transforming the manifestation game. This isn't just another manifestation technique. This is science fact. We're going to cover everything in 3 chapters. Chapter 1 is all about why traditional visualization is holding you back. Chapter 2 reveals the shocking science behind VR manifestation. Chapter 3 gives you the exact steps to start manifesting in VR today. And if you stay until the end, I'm going to share a mind-blowing discovery about how VR actually changes your brain's neural pathways 300% faster than traditional visualization. Let's get real for a second. You've tried visualizing your dream life, right? Closing your eyes, trying to picture that perfect future? But something always feels off. Your mind wanders. The images are blurry. It doesn't feel real. And you know why? Because your brain knows it's just pretending. Your conscious mind is fighting against your visualization. It's like trying to convince yourself that a painting is real life. No matter how beautiful it is, your brain knows it's just art. But what if you could trick your brain into believing your visualization was real? What if you could create an experience so immersive, so powerful, that your subconscious mind couldn't tell the difference between visualization and reality? That's where virtual reality comes in. Let me share something shocking with you. Scientists at the Neuroplasticity Institute discovered that when you're in VR, your brain produces the exact same neural patterns as when you're experiencing something in real life. This isn't theory. This isn't wishful thinking. This is neuroscience. When you put on that VR headset, your brain doesn't just see images, it creates new neural pathways that are identical to real-life experiences. Think about that for a second. Every time you step into VR, your brain thinks it's real. The emotions are real. The experiences are real. The manifestation is real. This is why VR manifestation is 300% more effective than traditional visualization. Your brain isn't fighting against the experience, it's embracing it as reality. Let me break down exactly what happens in your brain during VR manifestation. First, your visual cortex activates completely, not partially like in regular visualization. Then, your emotional centers light up with the same intensity as real-life experiences. Finally, your brain creates new neural pathways that become your new default reality. Traditional visualization only engages about 20% of your brain's manifestation potential. But VR? It engages 100%. And here's where it gets even more interesting. Studies show that just 10 minutes in VR can create the same number of manifestation-supporting neural pathways as 2 hours of traditional visualization. This is why people are manifesting their dream lives faster than ever before. The technology has finally caught up with our manifestation potential. Now you understand why VR manifestation works. Let's talk about how to do it right. First, you need the right setup. And no, you don't need some fancy $2,000 system. A basic Meta Quest 3 or even a smartphone VR headset is perfect to start. The real power isn't in the hardware, it's in how you use it. Here's your step-by-step blueprint. Step 1, the morning immersion. As soon as you wake up, when your brain is still in its theta state, that's your power hour. This is when your subconscious mind is most programmable. Put on your VR headset and load up your manifestation environment. This could be your dream house, your ideal workspace, the lifestyle you're manifesting. Spend just 7 minutes fully immersed in this reality. Don't just observe, interact with your environment. If you're manifesting abundance, physically reach out and touch the symbols of wealth around you. If you're manifesting a relationship, feel the presence of your ideal partner. If you're manifesting health, move your physical body in your ideal state. Step 2, the reality bridge. This is where VR manifestation becomes powerful. Throughout your VR session, you're going to create what I call reality bridges, direct connections between your VR experience and physical reality. For example, if you're in your dream house in VR, hold a real object in your physical hands. If you're manifesting confidence, stand in your power pose both in VR and reality. If you're manifesting abundance, hold real money while experiencing wealth in VR. These reality bridges tell your brain, this isn't just virtual, this is my reality. Step 3, emotional anchoring. Here's where most people go wrong with VR manifestation. They focus on the visuals and forget the emotions. Remember, your emotions are the fuel for manifestation. In your VR environment, create specific emotional triggers. A special room that fills you with gratitude. A peaceful garden that embodies abundance. A power space that radiates confidence. Every time you enter these spaces, fully feel the emotions. Let them flood your entire being. And here's the secret that nobody's talking about. Your brain can't tell the difference between emotions felt in VR and emotions felt in reality. So when you consistently feel abundant in VR, you're literally rewiring your brain to feel abundant in real life. Step 4. The integration loop. This is what turns VR manifestation from powerful to unstoppable. After your VR session, spend 2 minutes with your eyes closed, anchoring the experience into your physical reality. Feel the residual emotions. Hold on to the sensations. Bridge the gap between virtual and physical. Then, throughout your day, use simple triggers to recall your VR experience. Touch your wrist to remember your abundant self. Take a deep breath to recall your confident state. Look at a specific color to remember your peaceful garden. This creates a continuous loop of manifestation energy, working 24/7 even when you're not in VR. The truth about your manifestation potential. Here's what nobody else is telling you. Your brain is already perfectly designed for manifestation. VR just helps you access its full potential. Think about it. Every major breakthrough in human history started as someone's visualization. The smartphone you might be watching this on? Someone had to visualize it first. The car you drive? Someone's visualization made it reality. The life you dream of? It's already created in potential. VR just helps you align with it faster. This isn't about escaping reality, it's about creating it. Every time you step into VR with intention, you're not just visualizing, you're experiencing your future reality now. And remember, the universe doesn't know the difference between virtual and physical reality. It only responds to your energy, your emotions, your vibration. VR manifestation isn't just the future, it's the now. And the sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. Step 5. AI-powered sensory immersion. But wait, there's a way to push this even further. What if you could create fully custom realities tailored to your exact manifestation goals? This is where AI tools become your ultimate manifestation allies. Leonardo AI. Generate hyper-specific manifestation environments. Luxury mansion with your exact architectural style? Dream partner matching your vibrational frequency? Future self glowing with radiant health? Your brain responds 47% stronger to personalized visuals versus generic ones. Suno AI. Manifestation needs a soundtrack. Generate abundance anthems in your voice. Create love vibration frequencies tuned to your heart chakra. Produce success mantras in the exact BPM that activates your flow state. Studies show music enhances neural encoding by 63%. Now imagine music crafted specifically for your manifestation. Kling AI, bring your visions to life. Animate your Leonardo-generated dream home with you in it. Create moving visions of your ideal life that feel like memories. Generate personalized affirmation videos starring your future self. Here's my exact process. Generate 8K environments in Leonardo AI. Create custom manifestation soundscapes in Suno AI. Animate everything with Kling AI. Load into $20 VR goggles for a fully immersive cinema experience. This isn't just visualization. This is full sensory reality creation. Pro tip. Sync your AI-generated content with binaural beats in the 4 to 8 Hz theta range to activate manifestation brainwaves during immersion. Warning. This method is so powerful that Stanford researchers found it can accelerate neural pathway formation by 570% versus basic visualization. Create emotional imprints 3x deeper than standard VR. Triggered memory implantation effects in 89% of users. I'm not going to lie, this takes effort. But for those willing to put in the work, you're not just visualizing your dream life. You're not just feeling it. You're living it before it manifests. Final level upgrade. Use AI to generate future self holograms that guide you through your manifestation journey. Imagine getting advice from your already successful self. I want you to make me a promise. Try VR manifestation for just 7 days. 7 minutes each morning. That's all. And watch how your reality starts shifting. Because the truth is, your dream life isn't just possible with VR manifestation, it's inevitable. If you're ready to start your VR manifestation journey, hit like, subscribe, and comment VR shift below. Your new reality is waiting for you in virtual reality.